Macquarie students are changing the world through their ideas, their enthusiasm, and their hard work. Today, we are here to recognise some of those students by celebrating the 2020 PACE Prize winners. My name is Dominique Parrish, and I am the Pro Vice-Chancellor, Learning and Teaching at Macquarie University. I'm impressed by the achievements made by PACE students in the past 10 years. Before I go any further, I would like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of the Macquarie University land, the Wadamadigal clan of the Darug Nation, whose cultures and customs have nurtured and continue to nurture this land since the Dreamtime. We pay our respects to elders past, present, and emerging. PACE is a Macquarie University success story by providing students with the opportunity to apply their classroom learning in a real-world setting. When students complete an activity with one of our partner organisations, it not only supports their own development, it also helps the industry partner to complete projects that otherwise might not have been possible, while getting to know skilled, well-rounded students. While 2020 provided some unique challenges, students were fortunately able to complete their PACE activity. The Judyth Sachs PACE prizes are a small way to award and recognise the amazing work of students who completed their PACE activities. As always, this year, we were inspired by the quality of the applications, and finalising the winners was a real challenge. A total of 17 prizes were awarded, with 61 students receiving awards. Congratulations to all the students on their prize, and more importantly, on the great work you completed during your PACE activity. Let's hear from some of our successful students now.
Hi, my name is Alyssa Mifsud and I completed the PACE unit Psychological Science, putting theory into practice in Session 2, 2020. My PACE activity involved, as a group, devising a staff wellbeing strategy for our host organisation, Independent Living Support Association. This strategy aimed to both reduce workplace burnout and enhance overall staff wellbeing. Providing the tools to assist support workers to enhance their own wellbeing meant they could then better provide for their own clients' needs, which I believe is very important. This unit has definitely helped me to prepare for the future by giving me the opportunity to connect theory with practice and to integrate the various subdisciplines of psychology, allowing me to think about how real-world issues are approached with this knowledge. I would 100% recommend PACE to students. Not only did this unit allow me to reflect and practically apply what I have learnt throughout my degree, but I also developed so many new skills along the way. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Danielle Lalage and I completed the PACE unit Pitch 3020 Ethical Practices in Security Studies. My team were tasked with identifying cyber threat actors that may be targeting Macquarie University's data and intellectual property. And this project has benefited Scilab, who have since published a white paper entitled Australian Universities Under Attack, which was based on our final report. What stands out in my memory is being asked to deliver our presentation a second time to Macquarie's campus IT and security teams, as well as industry partners like Optus. And I found it really valuable to make these industry connections, and our mentor actually offered us job interviews at the largest consulting company in Australia. Overall, I would really recommend PACE to students considering studying at Macquarie University because it's really the best way to prepare you for entering your preferred industry and getting real-world experience.
Once again, I congratulate all the PACE Award winners, highly commended finalists, and Leadership Award recipients. It is unfortunate that we are not able to meet in person this year to celebrate your achievement. We wish you well in your future endeavours and hope that your experience with PACE is one that has enhanced your learning experience at Macquarie University and has provided you with additional skills to assist you in your future careers. Thank you and good luck.